Okay, so css.lint.boxModel. This is actually a very useful linting setting. So the idea here, let me hover over it, is to not use width or height when using padding or border unless you specifically specify box sizing in the CSS. So the idea is to always follow the box model. So if you set a width, actually this is to, let's set it to error, right? And then it says do not use width or height when using padding or border, right? Because if you have this, let's say this is a div, for example. If you have this div and you set a width on it, and you add padding, you have the width, and then the padding will be added on top of that, which means you're not respecting the box model. But if you use box sizing and use border box, the error will be gone. And you can also use content box, but as long as you are specifically saying the box sizing method that you want to use, it will be okay. But you know, if you want to use the box box model, use border box. I find this option to be really nice. I think this is, I wouldn't call it an error, but I think it would be nice to have a warning here, just saying, yeah, you know what, you're not following the box model, and it's a good practice to use. So make sure that you do. And then, whoops, it would be okay if you do that. So my suggestion is use a warning as for this setting.